You are going to love the 2018 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, fog lights, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.